How to organize files or content in TikTok. Now for organizing content or files on TikTok, you can create playlists for your own videos or use collections to categorize the videos you have saved from other creators. For example, if I want to save this video within TikTok so that I want to watch later, I can create a custom category. So I can tap on the save icon here and I can go to this collections tab and I can create my own collection. So I can tap on create a new collection. I can give this collection a name. I can share this collection with a friend. I can also choose whether or not I want to make this collection public and tap the save button to do so. So this is the way to do it. If you repost a certain video, that's also going to appear on your profile within the repost tab over here. And this is also one way to sort. If you make your likes public, you'll be able to see the videos that you have liked as well. And these are some ways on how you can organize your content within TikTok. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.